Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is TR and I'm glad you're here. You probably found yourself arriving at this video because you're asking yourself this question: how can I make money online? So I'm going to go through 5 different categories of ways that you can make money online. And if you stay till the end of the video, I'm going to have an awesome bonus for you. So make sure you stay till the end. Without wasting any time, we're just going to jump right into it, and I'm going to go through the 5 different categories of how you can make money online. You can answer that question for yourself. And the first way that we're going to talk about is called affiliate marketing. Now, if you haven't heard of affiliate marketing, it's a pretty simple way to make money online. Basically, you don't have to have your own product. You don't have to have your own website even. You can join different affiliate networks. You can find products that resonate with you, and then you can direct traffic to those products. And when people purchase those products, you don't have to worry about the delivery of the product. The product creator takes care of all of the back end stuff, and you get a commission just for putting someone in front of that product. So basically, your only job is to send traffic to the product. Somebody buys the product, you can get a commission. And the commissions usually are 50%, 60%, 70%, sometimes even 100% on the front end. And on some of these affiliate products, there's a value ladder, so to say. So they buy the front end product, which may be a less expensive product, and you may get 100% commission for that front end sale because they have a back end offer that they offer the customer as they grow through the value funnel. So they don't care if they the product creators don't care if they lose money on that front end, and sometimes they'll even pay you, more of a commission if the customer upgrades, or it's a program where they have to pay monthly. Sometimes these program creators will also give you more commission if on every level that the customer purchases. So affiliate marketing is a pretty lucrative way to make money online. You have one thing that you have to learn, and that is how basically to generate traffic and how to, create offers that resonate with you. And there'll be a link below this video if you are interested in learning more about affiliate marketing and how to get started with affiliate marketing. There's going to be a link that you can click on that will give you all the ins and outs of affiliate marketing. So the second category of business ways to make money online that we're going to talk about today is e-commerce, and specifically speaking, drop shipping. So what I like about e-commerce and drop shipping is that you don't have to own your own product. You don't have to warehouse your own product. You can basically put up a one-page website, or you can put up a whole e-commerce website, or and direct people to one product or a category of products. And when the customer purchases the product, you then order the product from the drop shipper, and they ship it right to your customer. So there's a whole category of websites that you can become a member of, that you can order products from for drop shipping. And if you're interested in learning more about drop shipping and how all that works, there'll be a link below this video that you can click on to get all the ins and outs of how drop shipping works. I mean, there's a whole category of websites to order products from, as well as where to sell products. I mean, you can sell them on eBay or Etsy, or you could have your own store like with Shopify. But if you click on the link below, you can get all the ins and outs of how to start a drop shipping company online. The next category we're going to talk about is network marketing, or MLM as some people call it. There's a little bit of nuance between the two, but for purposes of this video, we'll just say network marketing and MLM go hand in hand. And it's similar to affiliate marketing in that you don't have to control any of the products or services that are offered by the company. But what you do is find people who also want to make money online the way that you do, and you build yourself a team of recruits who are using the product or service, as well as recruiting others to use the product or service and grow the business. And what's nice about network marketing, or MLM, you don't just make money on your efforts alone. You make money on your whole team's efforts. So when you recruit someone into the business and they are using the product or service that the business is selling, you make a commission on their usage, as well as you typically make a commission on whatever it costs them to come into the business. Now, when they bring other people into the business, you also make a commission on those downline members that your teammate has brought in. So it's kind of a leveraged income, and it's a residual income because most MLMs, you need to purchase the product or service on a monthly basis. So you get a percentage of that monthly re-up every month. So that's a really nice thing about MLM or network marketing. If you are interested in learning more about network marketing or MLM businesses, there's going to be a link below, and it'll talk more about the different MLM companies. And one company in specific that I really like, that I'm a member of, it's a travel company. It is considered a network marketing company, but it has kind of a twist to it because you don't really need to recruit business members if you don't want. It's a travel company, and all you do, if you don't want to recruit other business members, you can actually just give away a free website to customers who want to save on travel. So if you know friends and relatives who are going to be taking any trips, you can invite them to enjoy this website, and they can save up to 50% on their vacation. Let's say, for example, they're going to go to Branson for a week, to visit, see the shows or whatever. And they use the website that you have given them. This is a free website for them. And they book their travel and they save $300. You will make $150 just because you helped them save $300. So you would get 50% of any savings at any of the customers that you gave this website to. So it's a pretty awesome thing. I'll put the link below if you're interested in checking that out as well. The next kind of company I want to talk about, it's kind of a hybrid between an affiliate marketing and a network marketing company. And it usually uses a one-up or a reverse one-up system. And in that, you buy the product, and usually it's a digital product, and it usually consists of training, which teaches you basically how to market online, how to start an online business. It has different levels of training. So if you're a newbie or a beginner online and you're just starting out, they have a beginner package, an intermediate package, a more advanced package. As you go up the value ladder, you get more training. What I like about it is that it's a digital product. It's not something you have to stock. You pay one time. There is no ongoing monthly fees. So you pay one time and you get access to this product, and you also get access to become a reseller of the product. And what's very nice about that is when you find someone who also wants to buy the training, you get 100% commission. You don't have to wait for your payments. You don't have to wait for a check. You can collect the commission any way you want. You can collect it in cash or through PayPal or any different other means that you decide that you want to take the payments. And how this kind of is like a network marketing, there's a residual component to it as well, because say you buy into the training and you buy into the program, and now you are a reseller, you're an authorized reseller, and you can resell the program as well. When someone buys it from you, they pay you 100% commission. Now, if that person that you sold it to goes out and sells it to someone else, they get 100% commission on their first sale. But on their second sale, they have to pass that sale up to you, and you get 100% commission on that second sale. And every second sale that person brings in, you get 100% commission. So it's kind of a hybrid between affiliate marketing and network marketing. It's pretty cool. And I'm involved in a company, and I'll put the link below if you want to check that out and see if that's something that interests you. It's pretty cool. I like it a lot, and it pays pretty lucratively. I love 100% commissions to me. So the last kind of program I want to talk to you about is, these programs are amazing because basically you get paid just for signing up or directing other people to them. You don't have to really buy anything, or if doing things that you're already going to do anyway, you get paid for. A good example of this kind of program is Ebates. Now, everybody knows about Ebates. It's even being advertised on TV. There's commercials about Ebates on TV. And if you haven't heard of it, I'd be surprised. But a lot of people don't know how it works. So Ebates gives you cash rewards just for doing things that you were already going to do, shopping at stores you were already going to shop on. A perfect example is I just bought a Dyson vacuum cleaner, and I bought it from Kohl's, but I bought it online. So I went to Kohl's.com online, and I have the Ebates app on my Chrome browser. So when I went to Kohl's online, Ebates popped up a message and said, you can save, I can't remember if it was 5% or 10% on your purchase when you use through the Ebates app. So, I clicked, I want to activate Ebates. And so I activated the app, and I bought the Dyson vacuum cleaner. It was like $600, $635 maybe with tax. And I got a $42 cash rebate from Ebates. They sent me a check for it. So, it's amazing that you can just make money just for, buying things that you were already going to buy. And the nice thing about Ebates is that if you refer other people to Ebates, they get a $10 gift card to use the first time they shop, and you make a $25 referral commission as soon as they, spend some money. So there's a whole category of programs like that other than Ebates. And I'm going to include a link in the description of this video that's going to give you more information about programs like that, if those are the kind of programs that you're interested in. So I appreciate you guys staying till the end of the video. That's basically the 5 categories of that I wanted to talk about today. And because you stayed to the end of the video, I did promise you a sweet bonus. And so I'm going to, stick to my word and give you a sweet bonus. And if you go to bonus.tracyrecommends.com, so again, that's bonus.tracy, T-R-A-C-I, recommends.com, you're going to get a free $100 savings certificate to use at a hotel of your choice, as well as a $100 dining certificate to use at any restaurant that's in our database. You just go and put in your zip code. It'll pop up all the restaurants in your database, and you can get a $100 restaurant savings card. All right. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you sticking with me to the end of this video. I know your time is valuable, and I appreciate you spending it with me. Again, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. It helps other people find the video. And if you like the content here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If you'd like me to review any kind of business that you're thinking about going into, let me know that too, and I can look at it and review it for you. If you have any ideas of any other kind of videos you would like to see in this channel, I'm always open to those comments as well. Again, this is TR. Thanks for staying, and we'll see you on the beaches of the world.